You want to make sure that you're dealing with symptoms that are actually just the cause of a concussion. And I downplay that and kind of minimize that because there's other things that are much more serious than a concussion that can cause similar symptoms. So the number one thing you want to be working with a healthcare professional for is to make sure that you don't have anything more serious. Number two, the second reason is a lot of this stuff, I'm going to give you some stuff to get you started, some stuff that's going to make you feel better in the short term right away. But eventually, a lot of you are likely going to need more advanced things. So you're going to need someone to actually test you and help you figure out some of the issues that are kind of still lingering there, and some of them may be a little more subtle, and you may not be able to get rid of all of them completely with what I'm about to share with you. So you're likely going to need somebody to help you do that. Eventually, you're going to need more advanced rehab. Number three, the third reason why you need a healthcare professional to help you through this in some ways is that they need to help you and be kind of a cheerleader for you when things get hard. And for my patients out there, that if you're listening to this, you can definitely attest to the fact that I'm more of a cheerleader than anything, right? I'm not going to get you better. You're going to get you better. But in order to do that, you're going to need to feel confident and comfortable with everything that you're about to do, because you're going to have to put yourself into into uncomfortable situations. You're going to have to force yourself to do things that are difficult in the short term, things that make you feel uncomfortable, but ultimately in the long term actually serve to benefit you. Okay? So there's going to be times you're going to feel kind of like quitting or giving up on it. And this is where having somebody who knows what they're talking about can actually reassure you, to tell you that it's okay to feel symptoms. It's okay to feel kind of shitty when you do things. Ultimately, though, you're going to start to feel better the more and more you do things. So I know that a lot of you have probably been on an endless quest to try and find one of these particular healthcare professionals. It's very difficult because there's a lot of people out there that claim to work with concussion patients, but really, just because it's on their website doesn't mean they actually have any training in this area at all. The only people I can vouch for are Complete Concussion Management, because I trained them myself. They've gone through our training program. So those are the only people that I can really recommend. So if you're looking for a clinic, go to CompleteConcussions.com, and there's a little blue button in the top corner that says Find a Clinic. Click on that. It's all geolocated. So if there's a clinic in your area, go in there. They'll be equipped to be able to help you through this process.